In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to Lovable AI. To get started, head over to Lovable AI and sign into your account. Once you're in, open the project you want to publish. Before you connect a custom domain, your project needs to be live. So click Publish and make sure everything is already online. This is important because your domain needs somewhere to point once the connection is set up. After your project is published, go to your project dashboard and open Settings. From there, look for the Domain section or the Custom Domain area. This is where you'll manage the address people use to access your Lovable AI site. Next, click Add Custom Domain. Enter the domain you want to use. Depending on your setup, this could be the root domain, like yourdomain.com, or the www version, like www.yourdomain.com. After entering it, click Continue or Save. Lovable AI will then show you the DNS records you need in order to verify and connect that domain. Now switch over to the company where you purchased or manage your domain. This might be a provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Cloudflare, Squarespace Domains, or another registrar. Once logged in, find the DNS management or DNS settings section for your domain. Here, you'll add or update the DNS records exactly as Lovable AI provides them. In many cases, this includes a CNAME record for the www subdomain and an A record or another required record for the root domain. Be careful when entering the host, the value or target, and the TTL settings. These need to match Lovable AI exactly because even a small typo can prevent verification from working. Once those records are in place, save your DNS changes with your domain registrar. Then go back to Lovable AI and return to the custom domain section. Click Verify, check connection, or whichever similar option appears on screen. Lovable AI will now check whether your DNS records have been updated correctly. Keep in mind that DNS changes are not always instant. Sometimes they update within a few minutes, but in other cases, full propagation can take up to 48 hours. So if verification doesn't work right away, give it a little time and try again later. After verification is complete, Lovable AI will usually provision an SSL certificate automatically. That means your site will be available securely over HTTPS, which helps protect visitors and adds trust to your website. Finally, test your domain in a browser. Visit both the root domain and the www version if you configured both. Make sure your Lovable AI site loads correctly, check that the secure padlock appears in the address bar, and confirm there are no certificate or connection errors. Once that looks good, your custom domain is successfully connected.